Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import Visio into Lucidchart. So first up, go ahead and open up your Lucidchart dashboard. This one. So what we're going to do here is just click on New. Now, go ahead and click on Import Documents. All right. Just click on it. Now go ahead and select Visio. Okay. Click on Visio. Now go ahead and click here to browse. Just click on it and your device storage will open. So I'm just going to go ahead over to my desktop, as I have here my Visio file format. All right. Now what I'm going to do is just click on it to make it highlighted, then go ahead and click on open. All right. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says importing document. Just wait for it. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and click on view document to check it. Okay. Now this is the correct Visio. So I'm just going to close this one and hit on done. All right. As you can see here, it's now available. So I'm just going to click on open. And there you have it. Now to be able to export a Lucidchart into Visio, just open up the diagram. Now go ahead and go to file. Now hit on export right here. Now as you can see here, we have the Visio vsdx or Visio 2010 vdx option. I'm just going to select this one and wait for it to generate the file. It says here processing complete. I'm going to save it like, for example, as a Visio. Hit on save. It's done. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.